Hey everyone! Winter is here, and so is the season of dry skin. But don't worry, I'm here with some winter-friendly skincare ingredients that will keep your skin glowing and hydrated all season long. We're talking about ingredients that combat that tight, dry, sometimes even flaky skin that rears its head as soon as the temperature drops. And the best part? You can find these ingredients in affordable products or even incorporate them into some quick DIYs. So grab your favorite blanket, a warm drink, and let's get you prepped for a season of happy, healthy skin. First up, we have ceramides. Now, if you've been following skincare trends at all, you've probably heard this word thrown around. But let me tell you, ceramides are not just a trend, they are truly the key to a healthy skin barrier, especially during the winter. Think of your skin barrier as the shield that protects your skin from all the bad stuff. Pollution, bacteria, you name it. And what are ceramides? They're lipids, which are basically fancy words for fats that make up a huge part of that shield. The problem is, cold weather, low humidity, and even harsh winds can strip away those essential ceramides, leaving your skin barrier compromised, dry, and irritated. That's why replenishing them with ceramide-rich products is crucial. Now, when you're looking for a ceramide product, don't be intimidated by long, complicated ingredient lists. Just remember the word ceramide. You'll see it pop up in serums, moisturizers, even cleansers. And here's a pro tip for my budget-conscious friends. Look for products that say barrier repair or skin barrier strengthening. These often contain ceramides and are formulated specifically to support your skin's natural defenses. Trust me, incorporating ceramides into your routine is like giving your skin a warm hug from the inside out. Let's move on to another set of winter skincare heroes, shea butter and oils. These are like the ultimate comfort food for your skin, providing that deep nourishment and hydration that's so essential when the air is dry and your skin is feeling parched. Shea butter is a personal favorite of mine. It's packed with vitamins A and E, which are antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage. But what makes shea butter truly special is its ability to deeply moisturize and soothe dry, irritated skin. Now let's talk about oils. I know some people are hesitant to use oils, especially if they have oily skin. But trust me, the right oil can actually balance your skin's sebum production and prevent excess oiliness. Some of my favorite winter oils include jojoba oil, which closely mimics our skin's natural sebum, almond oil, which is super gentle and great for sensitive skin, and rosehip oil, which is known for its brightening and anti-aging properties. Here's how I like to use oils in my winter routine. After cleansing and applying my serums, I warm up a few drops of oil between my palms and gently press it into my skin. This helps seal in all the hydration from my previous steps and creates a protective barrier against the elements. And for an extra luxurious treat, try mixing shea butter with a few drops of your favorite oil for an ultra-rich body cream. Your skin will thank you. Last but not least, let's talk about two powerhouse humectants, glycerin and urea. Now, humectants are like magnets for moisture. They attract water from the air and draw it into your skin, keeping it plump, hydrated, and dewy. Glycerin is a staple in so many skincare products, and for good reason. It's gentle, effective, and works wonders for all skin types. You'll find it in moisturizers, serums, even cleansers. Urea is another fantastic humectant that deserves a spot in your winter skincare routine. It's a natural component of our skin's natural moisturizing factor, or NMF, which helps maintain hydration levels. What I love about urea is that it not only hydrates but also gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells and revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. Now here's a fun DIY tip for you. You can actually make your own glycerin spray. Just mix equal parts glycerin and rose water in a spray bottle. And voila! You have an instant hydration boost that you can use throughout the day. Whether you choose a product with glycerin, urea, or both, incorporating these hydration heroes into your routine will make a world of difference in how your skin feels and looks throughout the winter. And that's it. Ceramides, shea butter, oils, glycerin, and urea are your go-to ingredients for winter-ready skin. Try incorporating these into your routine and your skin will thank you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Don't wait until your skin is already dry and irritated to start using these ingredients. Make them a part of your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference they make. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your winter skincare must-have? See you next time.